Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again to TC Time. This week is my wife's birthday, and it just happens to be right around Halloween. So we did the normal thing where I take her out to eat and tell her I love her and have some special time with her and all that kind of good stuff. And on the way home, she was telling me that she wanted me to get her some flowers. All right, so I got up this morning with flowers in mind. I was on my way to the store, and I was like, okay, we always keep her birthday Halloween themed, and what can we do to put these flowers in to keep it Halloween themed, keep it special, something that she's going to like. So what I came up with on the way there, I was like, okay, if I just drill a hole in the top of a pumpkin, I could stick the flowers in the pumpkin, and we could put water in the pumpkin because the pumpkin holds water, and we could use it as decoration. She's going to love it. So this is how I'm going to do it. All right, the first thing we need to do is we need to cut the stalk off the pumpkin. I'm going to do this with my 4-inch grinder and my little blade that could really turn bad if you're not being careful. So here we go. Alright, so we got that nice and flat right there. The reason why we did that is because now we're going to use our hole saw bit. Now before I picked the hole saw bit out, I actually took the flowers and I made sure that they would all fit in this hole. So however many flowers you decide to get your wife or your significant other, just, appropriate size hole saw bit. So that turns out pretty good right there. Got us a nice little hole. At this point, what we're going to do is we're going to put some water in the hole. Turn that back around, make sure it still looks nice. All right, here we go. This is a biodegradable, eco-friendly, green solution, edible flower pot with a Halloween theme. Of course, we got to have a dozen red stem roses. And just to make things kind of Halloweeny, I purchased these things. I don't even know what they are. They're orange. Alright, so we're going to stick one right there. Doesn't really matter. Right there, and maybe right there. So anyways, what do you think? I think I'm going to get props. Now all I got to do is fill out my card, stick it right there. Maybe decorate my pumpkin just a little bit more. And get a kiss for giving my wife a happy birthday. Hope this helps you guys out. Thanks for tuning in again to TC Time.